Jack here, Wandering Willis again. So in my oil canister, I have a new filter. Went to Napa, bought the one that everybody recommends for the L6226 engine, but that is the incorrect filter for this application. You can see by the gaskets, that gasket doesn't fit, which comes with that. That gasket fits, which comes with that. There's the filter that fits my canister. Here's the filter that fits the canister, but in my opinion is not proper. And I may have done some damage to my motor, not knowing that this was the incorrect filter. And of course the gasket doesn't work. So do your homework, get out there and wander.